Hello friends, today we are going to create a simple part which is useful for freshers who is learning Creo. So these kind of examples are very useful to them. So let's start how to start these models and drawing. If possible, we'll create the drawing also. Let's start from the part. First, we need to select the working directory, which is working directory means it is a location. Uh, This is the location where we can save our current working data. So I'm working on desktop. No, I'm working in Drive D and Creo work. This is my working directory. I'm saying OK. A good part. Yeah, highlight this one because this is if it is checked, then your units in the inches. If it unchecked, you can set as millimeters. After that, take extrude option, placement, define, or you can directly select from here also, and then select center lines. Put center lines. Center lines are very important for any drawing to understand. Experienced person may not take, but fresher should take because they can understand. Otherwise, they will get confused whenever they put the drawings model. First, we'll create the view of this part. This is if we say this is the front view and this is the front view profile. So I'm going to create like this. See here, the 20 mm thickness and the distance is this. We need this distance and the distance is how they are created. See, this is the 76 and height is 70 mm, which means 20 minus 60, 70. Sorry. After that, this is 70, which means this side also it is 70, and from here to here it is 130. So we got the profile dimension. Let's start. First take what is this? It's not working. Yes, it is working, right? No. Anyway, it's 20 mm. This is profile we need. So here the distance of this part. Assuming I am taking the half of the part. Okay. So 130 by 2, which means 50, 60, 65. Okay, 65. This is 65 and this one is 70. 65 plus 70 and the height is 20 mm and this is 70, right? So, and we are making the mirror. Select all the sketch and click on it, mirror option, and select display and is centered. Oh, sorry, by the way, I forgot to give the dimension of this part. This is around 76. Okay, this is 76. Now we got our profile. Make it constraint. See, select the dimension and right click. You can see the lock option, which means this dimension cannot move. You can see this dimension highlighted in blue color, which means it is not fully constrained. I mean fully. See, this is varying. Once we lock the dimension, it cannot be moved. You can see here like this, all the dimension we should lock it. Say okay. Now we need to know the thickness is 76, so put here 76, or you can directly give here also and say okay. Now we got first profile of the sketch, sorry, of the model, and this is the first profile of the model. And then we need to create these two walls, or we can create this, or we can create holes also. First we will create these two walls. We can say these are the ribs. So from behind, this wall thickness is 15 mm. This is the front view. So we need to back side. From back side we are going to create, select the reference. Reference we need, very important here. Say okay. We need to in this direction and say 15 mm. That's it. Now two walls are created, and now we need, and one more feature is there, this bottom, and the distance from 70 mm, from edge to 70 mm, and then we need to create 20 mm height and 20 mm width. So from front side, this is the front view. I think guys you are following my modeling. I hope so. If you did not understand anything, please comment me below, so I can explain to you clearly. I'll give the reply as soon as possible. So 70, this is the 20 mm, and also given, sorry, height and width also 20 mm. This is 20. So I put a center line. Put the center line is very important for mirroring. Select all the sketch, select center line, and then you can see here mirror. This option called up to next. So up to this wall we can extend the profile sketch. See, done. Now the last thing is two holes which is having a 20 mm dia. Okay. First I am going creating this side hole. Very simple making hole. Just bring two hands to X and Y direction. That's it. Hole has been created. Now we need the dimension. X direction is 35 mm and Y direction is 30 mm. Simple. 35 and 30. And we need the dia of this 20. 35 and 30, right? 35 and 30. That's it. And select true hole. That's it. Now see, again I am doing mirror. Simple. Just select the feature. Here you can see the mirror option. Select mirror and select the center plane. That's it. See, here one more hole has been created, and one more hole is there on the top of this. This is the 70 mm dia and the center of the this profile, which means this x by 2. option. This is X direction and this is Y direction. And the dia of the hole is 30. 30. Through and through hole. Done. That's it. Our model is completed. See, as per the model I have created. Now we are going to create a part drawing. So for that, very simple. Go to new, select drawing, uncheck this, select A4 sheet, say OK, and then go. We are enter into the drawing mode. After that, right click on this drawing area and select general view, say OK, and click on it anywhere on the sketch. You can see the sketch. Just click front view and we go to view display, no hidden, and then apply. Say OK. For others we can hidden, so that any hidden features are there we can see it clearly. See, there are two holes and center one hole is there. And by the way, we can change the scale also. Oh, it is too long, too big. So we can take 0.5. Yeah, I think it's good. This is lock view movement. We can lock the view of this drawing view movement. Okay, and then take profile. This is a top view of the model. Then I think from here hidden is very unclear, so we are now removing hidden lines. Now you can see that clearly. Annotation. Every hole must have an axis, so that I am selecting their axis, a little bit forwarding it, and write down a note. Go to properties. Here there are two holes, so that 2x. So it means there are two holes of 20 tab. To select the dimension, we can flip the arrows, select the dimension and hold the F2 button and click right button. Hold left button and then click right button. See, select button, hold left button and then click right button. You can flip the arrows. Okay. Now go to annotation. These are the basic things uh, people are forgetting in tool test or interviews. People are forget to put the center axis on drawings. Because of that, they are rejected. Actually, I got so many comments. So because of that, I'm telling you clearly. Every hole having a axis. So whenever we are creating drawing, we should put axis of the holes. After that, we are giving the thicknesses place one, select edge and press Ctrl and then select second edge, middle mouse button, release. Once again I'm telling you, just hold the first, select the one edge and then hold Ctrl and then select the another edge and then release and then middle mouse button. Like this we can put the dimensions of the, see, from here X direction and Y direction is done, and from here to and here. Very simple, very simple. That's it. Anything else? Mixing. See, overall length is 7. Yes, one more thing is missing. This is very important. 76, 76, and 1270. Actually, this is also not needed because here 30 and this is 210 and this is 30. So this XY direction is same, and here we are giving a height of the this one and this one too. Here also this is also given. See, total length is given. This is covered. This is also given. And this height of is given. Everything. That's it. That's it, friend. This is the model. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please, any doubt, if you have, comment below so I can give you a reply as soon as possible. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my videos so you can get more updates from my channel. Thank you.